Big rains. This is a very strong storm, and it has a big chunk of real estate here, all the way from Lantana now, pretty much Lantana and Hypoluxo, Boynton Beach Boulevard, all the way down into Boca, all the way into Palmetto Park, and even stretching in around Southwest 10th and Sawgrass Expressway. The core of this is a large area around, well, oh, look at that, just a new flood advisory just popped up about 10 seconds ago. That's this green polygon right here that shows up from that'd be around Atlantic Avenue, pretty much 441 to 95 and down into Boca. So a couple inches of rain already and more on the way. Watch out, flooded streets could be an issue as you head down through southern Palm Beach County. Here sometimes a lot of these areas are already seeing the rain and some storms, but some of the areas affected in the next half hour from this. It's going to last though, likely into at least the early evening. We also have some rain, some downpours along the coastline, West Palm Beach, down in toward Manalapan, also around Wellington, more stormy weather. It's really firing up out there, quiet across northern Palm Beach County, but look at the Treasure Coast now really filling in with rumbles of thunder, some heavy downpours. Main areas would be Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Palm City. This is all slowly drifting south, and then just moderate rain all the way up into Sebastian and Vero. So it's going to be a pretty bumpy ride for the evening commute, and likely into at least 7 and 8 o'clock tonight, maybe even longer. All right, Francine, at least we're not dealing with this. Category 2 hurricane about to make landfall. It is moving into Louisiana. Landfall defined as a moment that the center of the storm, the eye in this case, crosses land. It looks like it's close, but not quite there. It tracks up the Mississippi in the next few days as a big rainmaker. Watches and warnings in effect for the Louisiana coastline. New Orleans in a tropical storm warning, hurricane warning showing up in red there. Let's go to the other side of the Atlantic, where we have a new tropical depression. This is forecast to become a tropical storm, though, as it tracks across the Atlantic. Although staying weak, you can see the winds are 45 miles an hour. We'll keep an eye on this one. Some of the models dissipate it, some of them hold it together briefly. Tonight, showers and storms, flood advisory for Palm Beach County, as I just showed you. That'll continue for at least the next hour. 90 tomorrow, more showers, more storms. Best time to get outside, or the highest likelihood of seeing some sunshine would be before the noon hour. And the 7-day forecast, again, higher than normal rain chances Friday and Saturday. Sunday, we start to not completely turn off the tap, but a little bit brighter to end the weekend, and early next week, too, looking good.